Let's create an AI HR system using Python. We import logging for tracking model activity, NumPy for numerical arrays, Flask components for building the web interface, and Logistic Regression as our machine learning model to classify job candidates into recommended or review categories. We configure the logging system to display timestamped info-level messages and create a logger instance to monitor training, predictions, and errors throughout the application. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We define a dataset where each row represents a job candidate using 4 features: years of experience, interview score, education level, and technical score, capturing different hiring scenarios. These are the target labels indicating whether a candidate is review further or highly recommended, allowing the model to learn hiring decisions from past patterns. We log the start of model training, initialize a logistic regression classifier, and train it so it can predict hiring decisions based on candidate profiles. This route serves the homepage where HR users can input candidate details to receive an AI-generated hiring recommendation. This route handles post requests from the front end, receiving candidate evaluation data and returning a prediction along with confidence. We extract candidate features from the incoming JSO request, applying saved default values and converting everything into numeric format for model processing. We pass the features into the trained model to get a hiring decision and use probability scores to calculate confidence in that decision. We log every prediction along with the input features to maintain an audit trail of all evaluations made by the system. We return a JSO response containing a readable hiring decision and a confidence percentage so the front end can display a clear result. If any error occurs during processing, we log the issue and return a safe error response instead of crashing the application. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, binding it to all network interfaces so the app can be accessed from any device on the same network. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you'd like access to this code, just send me a message on our Discord server.